see that no man's son will walk alone. Whoa, just take my hand. Come on, take my hand. I'll be your hero. I'll be your hero. I'll be your hero. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Episode 2. Let's go. Yn y morlan, episode 1. Dwi'n mynd at y gwpl yna, fuck off gwpl. Syth allan, syth at ffocysan. Do it to it. Siarad yn ebyn yma, da ni'n neud y tŷ. Ffocysan. Dangos chi faint o cool di bod dim. Digon o amser. Ffocysan. Let's go. Ffocysan. Fyny yma. O, dwi'n tyn sgidio efo tod in the building. Japanese way.
Ryo-san, is everything okay? Don't worry, I'm fine. I want to ask you about that man. Oh, that man. The man called Landi. What did he talk with my father about? Landi demanded the mirror, and then they threw me out of the dojo. The black suits? Catch the names? I don't know. They came out of nowhere. I see. Thanks, Fuku-san. If you remember anything at all, be sure to tell me. Ryo-san, why? What you gonna do? Ryo-san, where are you going? You're not going after them. Please don't. Look what they did to Hazuki-sensei. They killed my father, right in front of me. I will have my revenge. I need to do this for my father.
Generic Japanese man. Oedd Ffocysan yn dau fuck all yna. Handy, so siya. Can there music apparently? Oh. I've got a lookbook. Let's have a look. So mae'n bwysig iawn i mi sgwini I will get revenge my father ac yn mynd effain borang, hon fi amdano fo. Yn Japan, rhywbeth da chi'n mynd, dwi wedi bod yn Japan so dwi'n gwybod am hyn. The pobl ddim yn gwisgo du, so obviously ask around to see if anybody saw men wearing black that day yn bwysig i ofyn. So dyma ni'n mynd rown bai pasio'r tŷ a'r pwll o'na. Rwan mae Shenmue yn dechrau. Rwan mae shit yn eitha fan. December 3rd, 1986. Let's go. Fel rhywun sydd wedi bod yn Japan allan dweud na union fel hyn. Mae Japan yn edrach, mae gen nhw lytrig, so bod dim... So let's go. Yna bobl efo yma. Dwi'n cadw ddistaw yn yr awesome acting sections. Dwi'n mynd i siarad o'r hogan ma'n, dwi'n eisiau chi sbio ar emotion yn ei gwyneb hi.
Noriko,
What's up?
about that day.
That day? The day of the incident. I heard about it from Nozomi. It must be hard for you.
No, I'm fine.
Yeah, that dwi'n marw in an incident apparently.
Did you see any men
Can we
wearing
push
black
A
suits
button
that
to
day?
siarad?
No, I
Very
didn't.
life.
What about them?
It's nothing, really. Yo.
Hey, bro.
I want to ask you something.
Yeah? What is it?
That day, did you see any men wearing black suits?
That day? No, I didn't see them.
I see. Any idea of who may have seen them?
How about Mishima-san or Kondo-san? Those women just might know something. You know, they're always near the payphone in Sakuragaoka. Standing there chatting and gossiping all day.
Yeah,
Maybe they know and are chatting about it now.
I'll ask them. Thanks.
Hey, Joe!
Hi, Megumi. You got a kitten in there?
You promised not to tell my mommy?
Sure.
Okay, then I'll show you.
Is this your kitten?
But this kitty, see? She's all alone.
All alone?
Yep. See, the other day, when it rained, a car ran over her mommy.
So, mae hwnna'n side quest. Dwi'n gwybod beth dwi'n gwneud y side quest, cos dwi'n mynd i'r cathod. So, fuck off, cat!
Mishima-san.
Oh, hello, Ryo.
Black car!
That day of the incident, did you see some men dressed in black suits?
Black suits? No. I didn't see
Fuck
them.
off to the clue.
Well, did you happen to notice anything unusual?
Oh, nothing worth mentioning.
I'm looking for anything at all. Is there anything you remember?
I'm sorry, Ryo. The weather was awful, so I stayed inside all
Fuck
day.
off, chdi allan o,
Did
chdi
you
allan dadwy,
ask
chdi allan dadwy.
Sumiya-san? She knows about everything that occurs in this neighborhood.
Is that so?
Got my eyes on you.
Hi.
Hi there.
Where are you going?
It's a secret.
Is that right? Don't go off too far.
Okay. Bye.
Awful conversation.
Hi.
Hey, mister! Let's play!
Some other time, okay? 100 yen each.
Bye.
I should buy one.
Bach o trivia, chyfo mae Virtual Fighter thing di hwn. A nath Virtual Fighter ddim allan
Huh?
am ages. Dyna yn 1986 in the game.
I should try again.
Buy more! Yes.
I know this.
Sexy lady, yes.
I should try
Nah,
again.
fuck off. What's the press?
Nah, not today.
Do you want to be done?
I love these.
Bye.
I should buy one.
Sonic. Here's a Sonic ddim yn bodol 1986 chwaith. Meaning future toy things.
This is cool.
Oh, gostau Sonic newydd. Fuck off. Fuck off, Amy. Iawn. Black hair.
Maybe I should get
No.
another.
Fuck off. No.
Nah, not today.
Plant, mae'n gwybod beth.
Hey,
Hi, mister! Let's play soccer!
sorry. Maybe later, okay?
Dwi'n boi yma. Fi'n gwybod.
Now, Yuki.
Yo!
Got a sec?
Sure. Hey, is everything okay?
Yeah, but hey, on that day, did you
On
see
that
any men
fateful
wearing
day.
black suits?
Black suits? No, I sure didn't.
I see. Any idea who might know about those men in black suits?
Maybe Sakuragaoka Gossip Gaggle might know something. You know how they're always yakking over near the payphone. Try asking them.
Good idea. Someone around here might have seen something. Mayumi.
Hey, Rio. What's up?
Hey.
I hear you've been having a rough time. If you need anything, don't hesitate to ask.
Thanks.
Sex dinner. Gyda llaw un o'r chi sy'n naif. So, obviously, dwi ddim yn gofyn. Ydy hi. Ydy'r shit bach yma.
Hiya.
Oh, hi, Rio.
What you doing?
Drawing a picture?
What you drawing?
A doll?
That's pretty good.
Lot of fucking what's them saying to do with it. Let's go. Bang, bang, ba, ba, bang, 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 ba, bang. Let's do it. Yes!
Excuse me.
I'm terribly sorry. I don't like talking to strangers.
I see.
Dwi'n literally byw that vanilla on hwnna. Ys fucking blynyddoedd.
Sumiya-san.
Hi, Ryo.
Hans yn gwybod busnes
On the
pob.
day of the incident, did you see some men in black suits?
In black suits? No, I didn't. But I did see a cat, though.
You mean in black?
Hi, mister! You want to wrestle?
Oh, hell no!
Sorry, maybe later, okay? How is your back?
Yes, it's much better. But how did you know?
I heard from someone in the neighborhood that you almost got ran over by a car.
Well,
Fucking business,
it must have been Megumi or Sumiya-san who told you. That driver was insane.
Could you tell me about what happened with that car?
Maybe if there hadn't been any snow. And to make matters worse, I fell over. So I never had the chance.
Oh, well, I'm glad to hear you're okay.
Yeah, but they fuck all, lle mae e?
Mishima-san,
Oh, hello, Ryo.
did you see a black car around here the day of that incident?
No, I didn't see one. You see, the weather was so awful that I stayed in all day.
I see.
Ffwcio fa, hi nath, dosod, dwi'n go ffocin digon hyn. Hi nath lladdo, fi di landi. Mae angen Shenmue 2 a Shenmue 3. Ffocin gloman yna dio. Ffwc y gema.
say